One of Canada's most celebrated culinary contributions, poutine is a dish of French fries, beef gravy, and cheese curds. Here's how to make poutine with a balsamic short rib gravy. The night before you are going to cook your poutine, brush the short ribs on all sides with balsamic vinegar of Modena. Season them heavily with salt and Aleppo pepper and place them on a rack uncovered in a fridge overnight. The next day, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat a large, heavy braising pot and brown all sides of the short ribs in olive oil. Remove the ribs to a rack. Now we'll make the gravy. Sauté the onion, garlic, carrot, celery, and fennel until it begins to caramelize, scraping the brown fond from the bottom of the pot. Add the tomato paste, herbs, balsamic vinegar of Modena, beer, and chicken stock, then tuck the brown short ribs back into the vegetables and season lightly with salt and pepper. The liquid should just come to the top of the ribs. Cover with parchment, tin foil, and a lid and place in the oven, cooking for 2.5 hours or until the meat is fork tender. Remove the ribs from the braise, strain the liquid, and discard the vegetables. Pull the short ribs into large chunks with 2 forks. In a small saucepan, stir together the flour and butter to make a roux. Place the braising liquid on the stove and bring to a boil. Add the roux, whisking to thicken. Add the meat to the gravy and season to taste with salt and pepper and a touch of the balsamic vinegar of Modena. Serve the hot gravy over French fries with cheese curds and sprinkle with gremolata to garnish. So there you have it, poutine with balsamic vinegar, short rib gravy, and cheese curds, a favorite late night snack and fun shareable dish.